Hello, so I'm going to show you how you can copy events from one calendar into another. So the first thing you need to make sure that you do is create a calendar, and that's just as easy as clicking the plus button here and create new calendar. So you can create your fine arts calendar here. And then the next thing is I sent you a link to our district calendar, and this is purely for staff members to use because it's all about meetings and CEA dates and things like that. But I did put in whenever we have closures on this calendar so you can copy those things over. So here's an example. What you can do. So what you'll do is you'll click on the name of an event, copy to my calendar. It opens up a new window, and you probably don't need to change any of the settings here because it's already filled out. But what you do need to change is where this calendar event is going. So over here, there's a little calendar icon, and by default, it's going to put it just on your BCSE account calendar, so your personal one. If you click the arrow here, you'll be able to add it to whatever calendar that you want, and then make any changes if you want to. So that's kind of a quick way for you to add events from a calendar that's already made, so you don't have to reinvent the wheel and type everything over again. All right, if you need any help or have any questions, please let me know.